Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so welcome to the Essetino Artist YouTube channel where we talk about money, marketing, and mindset. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add those questions on your Facebook group requests. Alright, so I'm here on Facebook right now and I'm in our Facebook group right here. It's called Creative Business Success, Money, Marketing, and Mindset for Creative Entrepreneurs. Feel free to join. And to add your questions, you want to head over to the left-hand side and scroll until you see membership questions under admin tools. Click on that. So we already have some questions in place, and I'm just going to add one here as an example to show you guys. So when you add a question, you want to click create, and then from here, you can change this. If you click on this, it says check boxes, multiple choice, or written answer. In this case, I want to create a question that I want a response as a written answer. If you want them to just do a checkbox thing, multiple choice, that's up to you, but I'm going to go written answer. And now you type in your question. Okay, so here's my question. I said, what email should we use if we want to connect with you off Facebook? So I'm going to click save, and then boom, there you go. That's question number 3. And when someone requests to join the group, they're going to see these 3 questions. What type of creative work do you do? What's one thing that you're wanting to achieve? And then the email question. And as you can see here, as I created the 3rd question, it now no longer allows me to create another question. 3 questions is the maximum amount of questions that you can do when you are doing the Facebook requests for your group. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. If it was helpful, please let us know by giving us a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. And feel free to join our Facebook group. It's totally free. We're giving tons of value. We do contests. We support each other. It's a really great positive community. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.